In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an event to a shared Google Calendar. Google Calendar is an excellent tool for organizing events and ensuring that everyone on your team or in your family stays on the same page. So let's dive right in and explore the simple steps to efficiently add an event to a shared calendar on Google. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in calendar.google.com. It's important to make sure you're logged into the correct Google account, particularly if you manage multiple accounts or calendars. You want to have access to the shared calendar you need. Once you're logged in, you'll see your calendar view, which by default might be the week or month view. You can always change this view according to your preference, but for today's purpose, the default should work just fine. Next, look for the Create button, or you might see a plus icon which also serves to start creating a new event. Clicking on this will open a pop-up where you can enter all the details of your event. This button is usually located on the left side of the screen, prominently displayed so you can't miss it. Once clicked, you'll be guided to a new window or panel where you can input detailed information about your event. One crucial step is ensuring you're adding the event to the correct calendar, especially if you have multiple calendars. Within the event creation window, there will be a calendar field or drop-down menu where you can select which calendar this event should go on. Be sure to pick the specific shared calendar you want your event to appear on. This step is vital because if you're not careful, you might end up adding the event to your personal calendar by default, which would mean the rest of your team won't have access to it. Now you can start filling in your event details. You'll add a distinctive title for your event so it's easily recognizable in the calendar view. Then set the precise date and time. If your event spans multiple days or different times, there is an option to adjust these accordingly. Don't forget to add a location if necessary and any other relevant details such as a description, guest list, or even a video conferencing link if it's an online meeting. Lastly, after you've double checked all the details and ensured everything is correct, click on the Save button. This action will add your event to the selected shared calendar. You'll want to verify that the event shows up correctly and that others with access to the calendar can see this newly added event as well. And there you have it, a straightforward process to keep your shared schedule organized and up to date. I hope this tutorial helps you collaborate more effectively with your team or group through Google Calendar. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials.